Hi, this is Elisa from Local King Roberts and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a quick car project with you guys, and also at this moment I would like to ask you if you can hear me okay. Recently I received a few of the message that you guys have a problem to hear me if you're watching this YouTube on the TV. So I kind of reset my microphone system, and I hope this time you can hear me okay. Please let me know if you hear me okay, and can you check if you watch this video on the TV, if it's the sounds okay. I know a lot of you guys watch on your smartphone or iPads okay, but when you watch on the TV, you have to turn on the volume a little bit higher. Hoping my reset will helping you guys hear me better. So today's car project is very simple. It's fast, but I think is very beautiful to make a car for guys. Let's start it. So I have already show you guys a lot of different video to use the 2011 fall new release. So today's video actually I am going to combine two more background stamp again. So this is a waterfall background stamp. If you like to see the video, just make sure you visit Local King online video library. Any car you see you like, you just click the card and it will bring you to the YouTube channel. So for this car, I combined the tree to the sky background stamp and the sky background stamp, and looks how pretty it is. So and then this is just the sky background, and I extended the sky, and then this is just the last video. I kind of want to create a night view. So all the videos are ready to view. Make sure you check it out, and if you do like this video, give me a thumb up. Let me know. Leave me a comment. So today's video is going to be a very simple and quick car. So I'm going to use the sky background, and I also going to use this waterfall background. So if you take a close look at this car, the bottom part I actually use the top of my waterfall. So this is what I like the rubber stamp a lot, because the different stamps, and with a different person, it all come out with something totally unique. And I do have a Local Kings the Facebook, and then if you like to send me your artwork and or post on the Local Kings the Facebook page, that would be awesome too. Or when you create any card, just make sure you tag Local King rubber stamp, and then so other people can see too. So today's video, I am going to stamping on the glossy cardstock, and I know you guys have a lot of question why sometimes you use glossy cardstock, it doesn't work. So make sure you watch the video number 182. I will put a link below. You got to watch that video for the paper review, and then you can figure out what kind of paper, where you can find those glossy paper that you can stamp on top. And if you have a hard time to find a glossy paper, you can use regular cardstock. But when you use regular cardstock, you probably have to use a stamp positioner to stamp a few times to get a solid image. And a reminder for our Edmonton Canadian customer, we will be in the Edmonton in the September 24th and 25th. Make sure you check our website, find the location. We will see you in September. You won't believe how easy this car can be. So I am actually going to stamping my ocean first, and I'm going to just use this memento dim blue. It's just like ultramarine blue, and then I'm going to only have to ink on the top, or you can ink the whole stamp, and then the rest of the paper you can use something else. So if you want to stamping on the glossy cardstock, you got to make sure you use the dye-based impact, because if you use pigment impact, they will never dry on your glossy cardstock. So the glossy paper I use is the Chronicle old cardstock, and I know these glossy cardstock is hard to find. We're still looking for the replacement for those kind of shiny glossy cardstock. But make sure you watch the video number 182. You can find some dull glossy from the Marcos paper or paper cut. Okay, so this is how I stamp, because it's on the glossy paper. They really ink well, absorb the ink well. So I don't really need a stamp positioner. I just stamp my background like that. So just use a finger, kind of burnish all your background, and That's your beautiful waterfall, and I use only on top of that. No need to use more than two color. One color will do the job. Okay, the second one, we are going to working on the sky, and you can see if I just use this summer sky, add a little bit blue, is that's look like this, right? So I am going to just add a little bit orange, kind of create like a sunset looking. So we're gonna use the summer sky, and I think I need the other blue, this one, Bahama blue. Okay, so I think these two blue will do, and we add a little bit orange, or we can add a little bit darker blue to you want. So the summer sky, rubbing your background stem is the best way to ink your background stem. Rub, and tap tap. Okay, and then we're going to use this Bahama blue. I'm going to just kind of give a little bit touch around the corner. And in my previous video, I've been explained too many times. You can use this magic mushroom kind of like a dabbing the two color, the gap, and then you use this magic mushroom kind of tapping it to blending the color. And if you don't have a magic mushroom, you can use any sponge blending tool. They will work. You cannot use a brush tip. It have to be the sponge tip, because a brush tip, those brushes are too hard. You will brush off your ink off your stamp. So I did use a three color, and I'm going to just directly use this orange, kind of add a little bit color on top. I hope my orange is not too dark, so I'm going to use my orange magic mushroom, kind of just pick up a little bit color. Okay, if you want like a not too orange sky, just use your magic mushroom, kind of remove a little bit more ink. We're going to put our glossy cardstock on top. Make sure you're rubbing. I really hope this reset our microphone. I use a wireless microphone now, so it should look this beautiful sky. Even I think that's so pretty. It can be like a sky, or you can even use as like a clear water, like ocean. I think you can. Oh, that which is give me a great idea. I maybe add a sea creature turtle. That will be my next video. So that's how I ink my background stamp, and I am going to just trimming it. I will be okay. Here's just a little trick I think you probably want to know. So you can see I trimming my my sky already, right? So I think that's a beautiful sky, and then I'm going to just put here, and I'm going to use just regular tape to tape it, because I want my front page 5.5 by 5.5. So I just want to make sure that I have a square. So now I can see, and then I can trimming, make sure my front page, because I don't know how thick my water have to be, right? So I just have to make sure it's 5.5 by 5. Okay, I really love this orange touch out, and remember, see my Tangelo orange is actually very dark orange, but when I apply on my rubber stamp, I actually use magic mushroom, kind of pick up a lot of color, so that way my sky is not that orange. And then every time you create a color, they all looks different. That's how magic of the rubber stamping. So on the bottom, because the least stamp is actually the waterfall, so I just have this wave die cut. If you have it, you use it. If you don't have it, just use the just tear the edge. That will work too. Try to be creative, right? Okay, and then I am using this full cell stamp set. This is the stamp set I designed in 2011, almost 10 years ago. And I'm going to just put my card here with some phone. So I really hoping I fix my camera issue, and I have created a lot of video, and often receive an email from you guys, and you always let me know how much you enjoy and how much you have learned from my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that you spending the time and send me an email to let me know. So I have been trying to share with you guys that I am combine my new stamp and old stamp together. So I just want you, I don't want you feel like I'm keep trying to selling your stuff. um I have been create a lot of a video to show you guys how to use a local king's product. So, and I hoping if you have any question, if you have any stamp set that you bought it, you don't know what to do, feel free to send me an email, and I will always create a video to show you guys how to use it. Ta-da! It's just that easy. So the second one even better than the first one. So I was kind of want to create some kind of like a sunshine going through the cloud. I was still working on that. And then you can put any kind of sentiment you like, make any kind of card you like. I think this is a great card to make a guy who like to sailing. So, and then when I create this card, like I said, I was mentioning this beautiful water. I think my next project, I will make maybe add some sea turtle, some sea creature to go with this one. So even though this stamp is called the sky, but use your imagination, create something, something, you are the artist. Remember, the rubber stamp is just a tool. Without you, they are just a piece of rubber. So hoping you enjoy this video, and please do let me know if this voice is working okay now. If it's not, I will do my best to try to fix it. I hope everybody can hear me okay. So this is Lisa. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.